Hello everybody. Today we are going to we're going to review some of our shapes, our 2D shapes from last week, and then we are going to talk about some 3D shapes. I'm going to send you off to find some 3D shapes in your house. So before we start with the 3D shapes, we're going to start reviewing the 2D shapes. So we know that the 2D shapes are flat. They are not something that you are going to be able to physically pick up and roll or bounce or anything like that. So 2D shapes are flat. 3D shapes are going to be three-dimensional, something that you can hold or grab. So first things first, I'm just going to hold up a 2D shape. You tell me what shape it is. Okay? Good. This is a circle. How many sides does a circle have? Are there any sides on here? No, so it has 0 sides. Good. Okay, let's do this one. This is a square. How many sides does a square have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. And it also has 4 vertices, which are the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 sides, 4 vertices. Ready? Let's do this one. This is you got it, triangle. How many sides does a triangle have? 1, 2, 3. How many vertices does a triangle have? 1, 2, 3. So 3 sides and 3 vertices. I also brought a different kind of triangle here because it looks different, but let's see if it's still a triangle. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides, 1, 2, 3, and 3 vertices. So if it has 3 sides and 3 vertices, is that still a triangle? Yes, no matter how it is turned, it could be turned like this. Is that still a triangle? Yeah, because it has 3 sides and 3 vertices. That would be a triangle. Okay, sometimes we get this one mixed up with a square, but it's different. Okay, it does have 4 sides and 4 vertices like a square, but there's something different about this shape. So first of all, what's the shape? It is a rectangle. Now, what's different about a rectangle than a square? Let me hold up the square so you can see. Maybe look at the size of the sides. Very good. So on a square, all the sides are the same size. Are all the sides the same size here? Is this side the same as this side? No, this one's way longer. So on a rectangle, 2 sides are longer and then 2 sides are shorter. Okay, so rectangle. One more, just as a review, hardest one probably I would say. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices or 6 corners. This is called a hexagon. Very good. So we were just going to review those. Now we're going to talk about those 3D shapes. So those ones that you can hold in your hand. We have 4 main ones that we're going to talk about. We talked about them before school got out, but we got to review them just so we don't forget. Okay. I know this is one of your favorites because you like to play with this. It is perfectly round. It has no sides and it can roll. So what is this called? Not a circle. It's called a 3D. So it's called a sphere. A sphere. So we know that there are things that can be spheres, balls, for example. We know that it can bounce or roll just like a ball. So that's called a sphere. We know this one too because we like to eat something out of it. This 3D shape is called a cone. If you hold it this way, it reminds you of an ice cream cone. Now, a cone is kind of interesting because it has a flat side, so it can stand on its own. But it also, this part of the cone is curved, so it doesn't have any sides right here. It has 1 flat side and 1 vertice or 1 point. It can also roll. I know you can't see that. I'll try to move it where you can see it. Uh-oh. We'll have to do our best. You know, it can roll, but can it bounce? No, it can't. So this would be a cone. The next one I have has two flat sides, and the outside is curved, so it can stand on its own, but it can also roll. This one's called a cylinder. And our last one kind of looks like a box. A box would be this 3D shape. It is called a cube. Now a cube, we know, we've talked about this before, like with our dice that we roll in our classroom. They're so little, and this one's light and little, that it can sometimes roll like a dice. But normally a cube is not going to be able to roll because it does not have any curved sides. It has all flat sides. So I always tell you to think about your room at your house. It's probably a cube because it has walls. It has a ceiling up here, a floor here, and then it has walls all around it. Can your room roll? No. The only reason that we can roll this is because it's so light, but normally cubes do not roll. Now here's my challenge for you. I am going to bring these 4 3D shapes back out: sphere, cone, cylinder, cube. And I want you to go find something in your house that is a sphere, find something that is a cone, find something that is a cylinder, find something that is a cube. I already found something at my house that would be a cylinder. It looks the same. It has 2 flat sides, and then this part is curved. So these paper towels would be a cylinder. So I want you to go find something in your house that are those 3D shapes. So have fun. Bye.